How stereotypes replace empathy with judgment and exclusion.
You see some classes of the human family that are black, uncouth, uncomely, disagreeable and low in their habits, wild, and seemingly deprived of nearly all the blessings of the intelligence that is generally bestowed upon mankind.
This statement illustrates the danger of sweeping generalizations that reduce entire groups to negative traits. By framing behavior and circumstance as inherent deficiencies, it ignores the powerful role of environment, opportunity, and social conditions in shaping outcomes. Poverty, limited education, and marginalization often produce the very conditions being condemned, making the critique circular and unjust. Such thinking reinforces prejudice, legitimizes inequality, and discourages empathy or reform. Rather than recognizing shared humanity, it divides people into hierarchies of worth, promoting exclusion instead of understanding.